Outback Australia can lead you to some pretty remote places, and when you're covering long distances, fuel economy becomes more important than ever. Let's take a look at how your choice of tyres can improve your fuel economy.
Neil, when I was testing mud pattern tyres on my own four-wheel drive, I got a certain fuel figure, and then when I tested the Bridgestone D694, the predecessor of the new tyre, I got a 5% fuel consumption improvement, and that was consistent over all different types of driving. So what's going on here? Most people wouldn't expect tyres to have that much effect on fuel consumption.
Yeah, and that's something I'd probably expect. Between the mud tyres you were testing and our D694, there's first of all a greater tread depth and a lot more volume of rubber in a mud terrain tyre. And secondly, the D694 was built to be quite efficient because we have huge resources in the research and development department, and they can really cater the tread compound and all the compounds within the tyre to do their job very, very well.
Okay, so if the 694 was good and you guys reckon the 697 is better, there should be further improvements in fuel consumption.
Yeah, and there will be slight improvements. I don't think it's going to be 10-15%, but there'll certainly be an improvement to fuel consumption, and that's due to the resources that we have overseas, putting a lot of time and effort into making those rubber compounds just as perfect as they can, and reducing. What is happening is that producing compounds that don't waste energy when they roll. So if the compound is mixed better, if all throughout its microstructure it's quite perfect, it will roll down the road a lot easier and make quite a big difference.
So less rolling resistance equals better fuel consumption.
Great.